Yo, what's up my G's, and welcome back to another POV drive. So as you can see, I finally have a GoPro now, and yeah man, the last time I made a video this car didn't have an exhaust, and I've also added paddles in as of lately, but the car looks really good. I really need to lower the car here soon, not gonna lie though. Got the headlights, and the suspension needs to be lowered down just a little bit, but yeah man, I'll do some more changes to the car here soon. But let me stop yapping and get in. As y'all can see though, I do have paddle shifters, but underneath the plastics are kind of missing right now. So I gotta custom do those since this is a Q40 and not a G37 all the way through. Exactly. Yeah man, I just been enjoying the experience of owning the car so far, and I had some sunroof issues, you know, the dreaded sunroof drain, but now luckily I have it fixed for the most part. Car sounds pretty good though. I do want it to sound better, and I am kind of getting tired of like the little trumpet noises, so I am kind of thinking about putting LTBs on the car, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I don't really like talking about the things I'm gonna do to the car before I do it. I appreciate all 16 subscribers I have on this channel, because I never really uploaded anything crazy on this channel before. Just the 2 videos I had, and that's when the car was extremely stock. And I still appreciate everybody like listening to me yap, so. I'm gonna get over real quick. Not gonna lie though, these paddles are like such a cheat code, bro. Like, they make the car like shift so much faster compared to the knob, because every time I use the knob to shift, like, it's so bad. Like, using just this is just so terrible. It doesn't work right. The delays are like really slow, but this is pretty quick, so I'm pretty sure this car has the reflash that it needs. It did come out in 2015, so last year of this car, so I would hope that it has most of the software that it needs. And it shifts really fast, so I'm happy about that, because sometimes I'll be getting smoked out here, and it's tough, man. I don't like losing, but it's been wonderful to use on like the back roads and stuff. But it would be kind of corny to say that I feel like with the shifters the car is faster. I mean, because I can hold out the RPM range longer without having to anticipate the delay as much now. But yeah, the car, like, I don't know. It's just nice to be able to have both hands on the wheel and be able to shift the car whenever I want. Because this car didn't come with the sport mode. This car did not come with a sport version, sorry. Because it's a Q40 and not a G37, so there were no Q40 Sports that came out, at least from what I know. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. I've never seen a Q40 Sport, so everything that you have to add to this car to make it equivalent to a Sport, you know, kind of a pain. But you guys let me know what you drive in the comments. Probably gonna be a lot of other G owners or people looking to get a G, which this is a really good platform to get. It does have its problems, just like every other platform, but This car just eats corners, man. It's super fun. And after you address most of the common issues that you come across, it becomes a lot easier to, man, what is happening right now? But yeah, man, after you address most of the common issues with this car, it's just easy peasy. I know the gallery gasket thing, like, that's a big one, but if you have a Q40 or a 2013, you don't really have to worry about that. The next thing would probably be the sunroof, which is what I had to deal with for a really good minute. That's why I didn't make POV drives. Like, and also I didn't like the quality of my other ones because I feel like the wind was too strong and I just felt like the view wasn't right. So if I'm gonna upload, I'm gonna upload good quality. I don't want to just, you know, cheap it out, throw it out there, because that's what a lot of people do on these cars. They don't actually care. And hey man, I'm trying to change it up. I'm trying to be the best G content creator I can be, and the best G driver. I don't really care about being the fastest though. This car is just super fun to like go through the mountains with, man. I'll do some hard pulls here soon though, for sure. Yeah, but another thing is I changed out the brake pads on the car, yeah, oil change, all that basic nice little stuff. Take care of your maintenance. If you own one of these cars, it'll last. If you do, people be beating on them, but they don't take care of them, and then it blows up, and it's bad looks for us other G owners. But hey man, I can take the parts, bro. If that car ends up in the salvage yard, bro, I'll take your parts for sure. The other thing that I probably want to do to this car is add CarPlay, because as much as I like this natural navigation with like the thermometer controls and everything, so I can see like the temperature in here, I just feel like I'd rather just have CarPlay for navigation, because this car doesn't have a lot of room for you to put like a phone mount or anything like that. And with the way that I drive and like, you know, the areas I go to, it just would be in the way whenever I'm driving, because I sit really low down too, because, you know, I want the best advantage I can have as a driver to be in control. But CarPlay for sure, I'll do it, of course with some time. Little quality of life things that can help out for sure. We're gonna hit the tunnels here in a second though. Let's see. This guy's kind of on my ass though. It's been a minute since I made a video though. Appreciate y'all for the support and actually commenting and actually listening to me yap for a little bit. I might upload some silent POV drives just for the ambience of the car, just for people who actually want to get the raw experience without input. This whole area over here is like super beautiful though. I love driving through here with like the way like the trees are lined up, especially at nighttime. Super pretty area. have some clips that I will put up on the channel where I kind of just strap the GoPro down to my car or like my friend's car, and we kind of just do some rollers, or it's just me driving on the back roads, kind of like using the GoPro as a dash cam. Which, yeah, this GoPro is kind of like, it's really good, man. If you're a car guy and you're thinking about getting into like photography or just doing video, like take it from me. Like in this bag, like I have like a full-on like Sony camera, full A7 IV, and this GoPro is really good, man. Like it just beats out the camera a lot of times whenever it comes to simplicity, doing rollers. You can also do pictures and stuff like that, and the quality is still really good. So a GoPro is kind of like a cheap for like $300, $250 for like a new one used, if you can find it on Marketplace. Like it's just worth it to get a GoPro if you're a car guy and you want to do like photos or video. Like seriously, try it out, because it's a lot cheaper than getting into like actual cameras and stuff, and you can give your homies the best rollers possible, and you ain't even gotta hold it. You can just use the suction mount that comes with it. Excuse me, Macan. But on my main channel though, whenever I did my exhaust video, which I don't know if anybody has recognized this POV channel yet, but other people have noticed my main channel from my faceless Instagram though. Yeah, I mean, people say it sounds like, you know, any other regular G, which I understand. I feel like my car might just be a little deeper because I changed out the white pipe. But yeah, muffler delete, and then I changed out the resonators to some bottle ones off at Amazon. But I mean, hey, it's just a start though. I feel like having exhaust on your G, like doing like anything on the G to like make it sound just a little bit louder to give you some feedback, is totally worth it, especially because I didn't drive this car in manual mode until I put an exhaust on it. So but yeah, man, I look a little ridiculous with this GoPro on my head. Like I kind of like got curly hair and stuff, so it's kind of like scrunching it up. But that's the end of this video, my G's. I appreciate you guys for watching and riding along with me. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. I got some nighttime POVs and stuff coming too, and hopefully some togs that I'll put up. But yeah, this is how the car is sitting so far. I'm thinking about taking a 37 off the side. I'm not too sure yet though. I feel like it would make the car look cleaner, of course, but you know, the 37, you know I love my VQ, so I might keep it on there still. But yeah, car's in good condition. I might go to slotted rotors because I feel like mine are making noises, at least as of lately. But yeah, man, see you guys in the next video.